how to recover permanently deleted emails in your Gmail. So if you want to recover permanently deleted emails in your Gmail, then what you need to do is first, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Gmail. After opening, like for example, I'll just simply go and delete this one. I'll go with the trash option, which will be in the right side, and it has been deleted. Now, you will have a couple of seconds to undo that deleted message or to recover it. But if the time has been passed, like if it has been more than 5 seconds, then you can just simply go with the left side right here, go with more section, and then you will find a bin option or a trash option. You can go with the trash, and then you will have the deleted mail right here. You can click on it and then recover it. Or if the message has been stayed here for 30 days, for like about 30 days, and if you found that the email has already been deleted from your bin as well, then you need to have a tool that can help you in specific cases like accidental mass deletion or suspicious account activity. But it's not guaranteed. For that, you need to open up a new tab and then search for Gmail message recovery tool. Go with the first section or the first website, which will take you to this kind of interface. Now, you just need to simply go with continue, which will be on the bottom. Make sure that you've logged into your account in which you're facing your deleting problems. Go with continue and fill up the form. Submit your request, and if the message is still on their servers, they may be able to restore them for you. Keep in mind that this window is short, so act quickly. Here's an important reality check. If you manually emptied your trash or it's been more than roughly 30 days since deletion, then those emails are usually gone for good on your personal Gmail account. The message recovery tool has limited availability and only works if the data is still present on the Google system. There is no reliable way to promise recovery months or years later, and any service claiming guaranteed results in those scenarios is not trustworthy. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and thanks for watching.